Cold turkey and warm hearts. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and so is the perfect opportunity to capture timeless moments. Here's a quick guide to photographing Thanksgiving activities. First things first, embrace the golden hour. The soft, warm hues of the early morning or late afternoon sun can add an ethereal touch to your photos. Secondly, play with perspective. Get up high for a bird's-eye view of the feast, or get down low to capture the excitement on the little ones' faces. Remember, candid is key. Catch those unposed, spontaneous moments that truly reflect the joy and warmth of the day. Next, experiment with depth of field. A shallow focus can make your subject pop, while a deep focus can highlight the bustling backdrop. And lastly, don't forget to capture the details. The turkey's golden brown skin, the vibrant cranberry sauce, the laughter lines on a loved one's face. There you have it, a quick guide to photographing Thanksgiving. So, pick up your camera and make these fleeting moments last a lifetime.